0x80240008 generally means. Another installation or update process is already running. Windows Update cannot proceed because the system is busy with another servicing operation. Here are the solutions for this error.
First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. In Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type SFC/Scano. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type Exit, and then press Enter. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. In Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Press Enter. Wait for your PC to be repaired. Type Exit, and then press Enter. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Windows Update. Press Run. Select if you can't install the update, or if the update is causing issues. I'll choose that I can't install it. Press Yes to scan your PC for errors. Wait for your PC to be scanned. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type netstop woo-serve. Type netstop crypt svc. Type netstop msi server. Type renc/windows/software distribution old. Type renc/windows/system32/catroot2 Type netstart woo serve. Type netstart crypt svc. Type netstart bits. Type netstart msi server. Type Exit, and then press Enter. Restart your PC to apply the changes.